Hi students, welcome to my channel Excellent Ideas in Education. Today we are going to learn about how to draw square root spiral. This is a classroom activity for grade 9. Take a scale to draw 3 centimeter line. You can take any length, but I am taking 3 centimeter as 1 unit. Next, we will take another scale and draw a perpendicular line and take 3 centimeter as a 1 unit. Join the points using scale. I am taking 3 centimeter as 1 unit. You can take any length as per your choice. Horizontal and vertical line as 1. Another side is root 2. Now we will write the naming O, A1, A2. This is 90 degree. Using Pythagoras theorem, OA1 square plus A1 A2 square equal to OA2 square. OA1 square is 1 square plus A1 A2 square is 1 square equal to OA2 square. 1 square is 1 plus 1 square is 1 root equal to OA2. 1 plus 1 is root 2 equal to OA2. Now you see the drawing, OA2 is root 2. Next, we will take the protector and take OA2 as a base and draw the perpendicular at A2. Mark 90 degree here and join the points using scale. Next, take a compass and reduce to 3 centimeter and draw an arc. Using scale to join the points. OA2, that is perpendicular line 90 degree. This is 1. Here is root 3. We will mark the naming as A3. Next, take the protector and keep the protector OA3 as a baseline and mark the point perpendicular at 90 degree at A3 and take the scale to join the point. Next, take compass and reduce to 3 centimeter and draw an arc. Now take the scale and join the points. Here is 1. This is root 4. Next, take the protector and keep the protector OA4 as a base and mark the point 90 degree and draw the line. Now take the compass and reduce to 3 centimeter and draw an arc. Now take the scale to join the points. Now write the namings A4, A5. Here is 1, here is also 1. This is root 5. Next, take the protector and keep the protector OA5 as baseline and mark the point perpendicular, that is 90 degree at A5. Now take the scale to join the point. Next, take the compass and keep the compass tip in the A5 and reduce to 3 centimeter and draw an arc. Now take the scale to join the points. This is as 1. Here is root 6. Write the naming A6. Next, we will draw root 7. Take the protector and keep the protector OA6 as a baseline and mark the point perpendicular, that is 90 degree at A6. Now take the scale to join the point. Next, take compass and keep compass in A6 and reduce to 3 centimeter and draw an arc. Now take the scale to join the points. Now write the naming A7. Here is 1. This is root 7. Next, we will draw root 8. Take the protector and keep the protector OA7 as a baseline and mark the point perpendicular, that is 90 degree at A7. Take the scale to join the point. Next, take the compass and keep the compass tip at A7 and reduce to 3 centimeter and draw an arc. Now take the scale to join the points. Now write the naming A8. This is root 8. Next, we will draw root 9. Take the protector and keep the protector OA8 as baseline and mark the point perpendicular, that is 90 degree at A8. take the scale to join the point. Now take compass, keep compass tip at A8 and reduce to 3 cm and draw an arc. Now take the scale to join the points. Now write the naming A9. Here is 1, here is also 1. This is root 9. Next we will draw root 10. Take the protector and keep the protector OA9 as baseline and mark the point perpendicular, that is 90 degree at A9. Now take the scale to join the point. Next take compass and keep compass tip at A9 and reduce to 3 cm and draw an arc. Now take scale to join the points. Here is 1. This is root 10. Next we will draw root 11. Take the protector and keep the protector OA10 as base point and mark the point perpendicular, that is 90 degree at A10. Now using scale to join the point. Now take compass, keep compass tip at A10 and reduce to 3 cm and draw an arc. Using scale to join the points. This is as 1. Here is root 11. Now write the naming A10, A11. Next we will draw root 12. Take protector and keep the protector OA11 as base point and mark the point perpendicular, that is 90 degree at A11. Now using scale to join the point. Now take compass, keep compass tip as A11 and reduce to 3 cm and draw an arc. Using scale to join the points. Now write the naming A12. Here is 1. This is root 12. Next we will draw root 13. Take the protector and keep the protector OA12 as baseline and mark the point perpendicular, that is 90 degree at A12. Using scale to join the point. Now take compass and keep compass tip as A12 and reduce to 3 cm and draw an arc. Using scale to join the points. Now write the naming A13. This is root 13. Next we will draw root 14. Take the protector and keep the protector OA13 as a baseline and mark the point perpendicular, that is 90 degree at A13. Using scale to join the point. Next take compass, keep compass tip as A13 and reduce to 3 cm and draw an arc. Using scale to join the points. Here is 1, here is also 1. This is root 14. Next we will draw root 15. Take the protector and keep the protector OA14 as a baseline and mark the point perpendicular, that is 90 degree at A14. Using scale to join the point. Next take compass and keep compass tip at A14 and reduce to 3 cm and draw an arc. Using scale to join the points. Here is 1. Write the naming A14, A15. This is root 15. Next we will draw root 16. Take protector and keep the protector OA15 as a baseline and mark the point perpendicular, that is 90 degree at A15. Using scale to join the point. Next take compass and keep compass tip as A15 and reduce to 3 cm and draw an arc. Now using scale to join the points. Here is 1. Write the naming A16. This is root 16. Thanks for watching this video.